Hey guys, Chris here from Havoc Legion. Looks like Ruger just released their new version of the LCP, coincidentally called the LCP II. The only differences with this one are the slide and the grip. They did add a little bit of weight. It's now 10.6 ounces as opposed to 9.6 ounces, but the huge change is the grip. On the grip, you can see a lot more aggressive texture that they put all over the grip. It's supposed to be a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger footprint. And then on the slide, they also added a group of cocking serrations on the forward part of the slide. Here's some pictures for you.